We have a California winged nuisance in his native environment. Came through the chimney, of course. Do a little dance. Come on, little guy. Do a little dance. Dance for me, you winged fool. He's a high energy. It took like an hour to capture this critter. And now, let's see if we can get him outdoors safely. I can fly like an eagle into the living room. Fly like an eagle inside of a pool net. Oh, let's see how Rex likes him. Hey, Rexy. What is that? What is that? Rex is safe with birds. He's a scaredy puppy. Yes, he's a scaredy puppy. Get him! Get him! Get him, Rexy! Get him! Oh, the yellow-bellied Australian Shepherd. Poor bird. Alright, arm's getting tired. I think he's learned his foul lesson. Here. Let's see. Let's put him right by the bird feeder. And never mind. Okay then. Forget him. It is a beautiful day in California. Ooh, so this is these pole contraptions here. I sprayed and I put them together to hold this big old bird feeder. I think it looks pretty good. And a view out the front of the majestic Yosemite Lakes Park in Coarse Gold, California, and my wet clothing, the best sights of all. You can tell our house is double protected with ADT, whatever they are. And also Honeywell. And my plants. My beautiful, beautiful bare and plants. I don't know why they're alive. I'm terrible with plants. Why are they alive? Okay, that's probably enough for this video. And a random Homer Simpson in a pine cone? Acorn house. Acorn little gnome house. Oh. And the end.